Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel IT Academia by Arvind sir. In this video lecture, we'll be starting with chapter number 2 of information technology. So basically chapter number 2 is introduction to search engine optimization. Okay, so this is a new concept, okay, for your this IT subject. Okay, this is totally new topic for you. So let's start with what topics are there in this chapter. Let's just see first. So the contents are, or say the topics are, first one we have to see the definition of SEO. What is SEO? Its definition. Second, what are the types of SEO? Okay. Third, what are the different techniques of SEO? Fourth, SEO page content. Fifth, SEO keywords. What do you mean by keywords? Keywords are nothing but the reserved words. Like you are saying that key whenever you are typing anything, how you are getting the words, so that through the keywords. So SEO keywords. If you are going to search something, so there it will be useful. SEO social book marketing. Okay, how you are going basically the purpose of SEO is what? To do the marketing. Okay, SEO SMO. Okay, so all these are the topics or the contents of chapter number 2. Okay, these are the total 7 topics total we have to study. Now moving to the next, we'll have the introductory part of search engine optimization. So here we'll see what is search engine optimization. So firstly, SEO stands for search engine optimization. Okay, SEO means search engine optimization. Just remember, SEO, search engine optimization. Next, SEO is a technique. This technique we use for what? Designing and developing a website B to rank high in search engine results. Okay, so basically this technique we use for what? Designing and developing a website. Means you have already designed and developed a website. Now you want to make it to be the rank, first rank, second rank, third rank, that you know the rank. Why you study more? Because you want in the college a rank position. Okay, so similarly, if you want to have your website on the ranking position, so search engine is to be used. So just remember, if anyone asks the definition of SEO, so first you have to write SEO stands for search engine optimization. SEO is a technique used for designing and developing a website B to rank high in search engine results. Clear? So what is the main thing over here? Designing and developing a website. Okay, B to rank where? High in search engine results. Means if I search in Google, just for example our college, Chandraban Sharma College, if you search CSE College or Chandraban Sharma College, any keyword if you use, you will find our website cscollege.co.in on the first link itself. Okay, so this is what the search engine optimization, this is what the we can say the benefit. Okay, if you use SEO, so it is a subset of search engine marketing. It is a subset of search engine marketing. If you see, mouth publicity is there, but you know today's we use digital marketing. So basically how you use if you have any website or if you have any company and if you want to make aware of that, so this uh, uh, Facebook, then YouTube, the social marketing, okay, so they are more useful than mouth publishing, okay, because everyone is looking for these things, okay, always. It's clear. So does SEO is useful in increasing the numbers of visitor to a website. Means what? SEO is useful in increasing the number of visitors to a website. Means what? See, for example, if you put status on your WhatsApp, why you put status? You put status so that you just come to know that how many of the viewers, how many you of in your contact view your profile, whatever the video, image, or any thing you have put on your website, on a WhatsApp, means how many have visited, how many have views. So at the lastly you are saying that so many have visited, so you will become very happy. So similarly, search engine optimization is useful in increasing the number of visitors to a website. For example, if you have visited CSC Chandraban Sharma College website, 1 people have visited, so count will be 1. Next someone visits next one, so count will 2, like that. So as many as the people's visits to website, the count gets increases. So count gets increases means what? That website has more in demand, okay, because everyone is going to that website and taking some information from that website, okay. So that is useful for us. There are many strategies and techniques adopted to optimize the web page, okay. So already this says for optimizing a web page there are so many strategies and techniques are there. This chapter introduces few ways at the beginners level. So there are so many strategies and the techniques are there to optimize a web page. Here, being at the beginner level, we are going to see some of them, okay. So this is what introductory. It's very important because if you if you have the clear concept of the introductory part, then only will go in the depth part, okay. So introductory part of any chapter, any topic is more important. So basically, what is search engine optimization? Search engine optimization is to use for designing and developing a website and to make your website on to be an high rank when we are going to search it, okay. Next, so do you know, this is for you, search engine is an online program. Basically it is an online program or software that helps the users to search for information on World Wide Web, that is www. What is search engine? It is an online program or software that helps users to search for information on World Wide Web. So let's have the examples of search engine include, all of you know, Google, Yahoo and Bing. All these are the search engines. For example, if you want to have any image, if you want to have any movie, you search on Google. Basically you don't use Yahoo and Bing, but Google everyone uses, okay. So kabhi bhi kuch hua, let's search on Google. Google will show all these things. So basically this is what search engine. Search will search your contents, okay. If the things are there on the search engine, it will display the things to the browser. So see, most of the things are there in the Google, because already the Google, see how the developers think from users point of view. Yes, these things we have to include, these things we have to include. So everything are there in the on the server. That's why we are able to see the contents. Okay, so this is what search engine. Next is types of SEO. Okay, there are two types of optimization. There are two types of optimization. Number one, on page SEO, and number two, off page SEO. So what is there on page? Page के ऊपर, right? On page SEO. It includes provision of good content, good keyword selection, putting keywords on correct places, giving appropriate title to every page, etc. So this you have to think on page SEO. Means, for example, if you search anything and that particular things will always come again and again. So that is what the keyword selection. Okay, with the help of keyword selection, we are able to see that things. So it includes provision of good content. Content should be good. Keywords selections are to be good. Putting keywords on correct places, giving appropriate title to every page, etc. For example, I have made this video and I have uploaded it to YouTube. So I have to give the good keyword selection so that if anyone searches for this SEO, so this will come. So that I should provide. Otherwise, it is not going to. Users are not able to see this. Only to whom I have shared this link, they will be able to see this. Okay. So if I want to see this on my YouTube channel, on keyword selection, it should appear. Then I have to use good keyword selection for that. Okay. Then only if anyone searches for the SEO or introduction to SEO or anything, same this video will come over there. Okay. So that is what this one. Off page SEO. What is off page SEO? So it includes link building. In off page we have link building. Link means what? Hyperlink. www.yahoo.com, www.google.com, that is the link. So link building, increasing link popularity by submitting the open directories. Directories means folders and all. Search engines and link exchange, etc. So what is there on off page SEO? It includes link building, increasing link popularity by submitting open directories, search engines and link exchange. Okay, so it's very simple to remember. In on page SEO, what we do, we have good content, we have good keyword selection, and we have to put the keywords on the correct places, and giving appropriate title to every page is important. So this we do on the web page SEO. And off page SEO, what we do, on page SEO we include the link building, increasing the link popularity by submitting open directories, search engines, link exchange, etc. Okay, so we have the next types of SEO. Okay, so let's see. SEO are of two types that we have discussed previously. Number one, on page. Number two, off page. Okay, so what is there in on page? On page SEO is concerned with information that is displayed to the end user. such as text, images, and website navigation. What do you mean by navigation? When you click on this, we'll move to the next page, previous page, etc. Okay, so on page SEO is concerned with information that is displayed to the end user, such as text, images, and website navigation. Whereas off page SEO is concerned with website to website relationship. What is the relationship with one website to other website? Do other websites refer to you? Do you refers to others? Okay, do other websites refer to you? Do you refer to others? How good is your network? Okay, so this is what the summary we can say of SEO. Types of SEO detail previously we have seen on page and off page SEO. Okay, next topic is about techniques of SEO. Okay, so let's see, these are classified into two broad categories. Number one, white hat SEO tech. Okay, so these techniques that search engines recommends as a part of good design. Techniques that search engines recommends as part of good design are white hat SEO. So what is white hat SEO? Techniques that search engines recommends as a part of good design. Okay, and whereas second is black hat SEO. So what is this? Techniques that search engines do not approve. Techniques that search engines do not approve are black hat SEO. The techniques used for optimizing the website are manipulative, means manipulate karna. Okay, so basically we have two types of techniques, okay, of SEO. First one is white hat SEO and second is black hat SEO. Okay, so what is there in white hat SEO? In this technique, okay, what we do, search engine recommends as a part of good design, whereas in black hat SEO, in this technique that search engines do not approve. Next, we have the difference between the black hat and white hat strategies. So let's see the difference. So totally we have 1 lakh difference black hat strategies is there. White hat strategies and black hat strategies. Strategies का मतलब होता है techniques. Okay, so let's see. Number 1, in white hat strategies, contents are relevant. We have relevant content. Okay, whereas in black hat strategies, contents are duplicate. Okay, so number 1, relevant contents, and here duplicate content. Let's come to the first. White hat strategies are well labeled images. They have well labeled images, whereas in black hat strategies they are having invisible text are invisible and stuffed keyword. So what do you mean by stuffed keyword? Stuffed keywords are those, okay, like suppose we can say basically when you attempt to manipulate your site ranking in the Google search result, so you will use the different keywords, right? Okay, for example, if you go for hacking any password, so what you try alphabet numbers, that is keywords. Okay, that is the stuffed keywords. Okay, mix of keywords that we are going to use. So this is second one. Third one is white hat strategies are relevant links and the references. They have relevant links and references are there, whereas in black hat strategies, clocking, that is redirecting the user to another site or page, redirecting the user to another site or page. Okay, next, white hat strategies have standard compliant HTML. Okay, so they have the proper standard compliant HTML structures are there. In black hat strategies, link from sites with non-relevant contents are there, and at the last they have unique and relevant page titles. Okay, white hat strategies have unique and relevant page titles. So only 4 differences are there for the black hat strategies. One more we have for the white hat strategies. Okay, so we'll proceed with this difference once again. Okay, let's revise this difference between black hat and white hat strategies. So what is the first one? They have the relevant content. Here they have the duplicate content. Here well labeled images. Here invisible text and stuffed keywords are there. In white hat strategies, relevant links and references are there. Here clocking or the redirecting the user to another site or page. Here standard compliant HTML structure is there. Here link from the site with non-relevant content. White hat unique and relevant page titles are there. Okay, so these are the differences. Next, optimizing website. How you will optimize your website? So there are various sections of a website which can be optimized for the better SEO. So whenever you are writing HTML code, there are so many sections in that: head, then title, then body, then meta tag, etc. Right? Paragraph, division tag. Okay, so there are various sections of a website which can be optimized for better SEO. They are some of the ways to optimize the web page for SEO are: number 1, SEO, that is page structure optimization. Page structure optimization, the first one. Okay, so let's see. HTML program should start with doc type HTML always. You have done with the so many programmings. Okay, so HTML program should start with doc type HTML. Second, if it is a singular tag, for example img, so it should be self-enclosed like this image. We will close there itself. Okay, order of tag should be proper. Order of tag should be proper means most of the time recently opened tag will be closed first. Means suppose you have written HTML head, title, body, then you are first closing body, form, then you are first closing the form tag. If under the form tag you have table tag, then first you will close the table tag. This is what recently opened tag will be closed first. So it is recommended to use number 1, title. Okay, title is the first thing that user notices in search result. Okay, title क्या है? Title is the first thing that user notices in search result. List while using Google for searching. Okay, because title is important, na? Right? So user first think of the title itself. Content should be up to 60 characters. Up to 60 characters you can use for this content, spaces included in that. Okay, including the spaces. So this is what title. Second, meta description tag. Meta description tag. So while creating a web page, meta description should be used to boost your on page SEO. To boost your on page SEO. So meta description should be between 70 and 160 characters, including the spaces. Okay. Next, heading tags. Heading tags are what? The page should include proper heading tags. Proper heading tags from H1 to H6 wherever required. Okay, so heading tags are nothing but that, you know, from H1 to H6 they are, okay, heading tags. So accordingly, whatever the tag you require, accordingly you have to use. Next is image tags with alt attribute. Basically the purpose of alt attribute is what? To give the information about that particular image. Okay, what kind of the image you have, you are going to give the, we are going to give the information. So let's see, the alt attribute gives information about the image. So even if the image does not download, it can make the viewers understand the image related information. So this is, it is recommended to use all these things so that we can put the things on Google and our search engine optimization technique will be better. Okay, so these are the things for you chapter number 2. Let's quickly revise what we have studied so far this in this chapter. Okay, so we have started with chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 is introduction to search engine optimization. So these are the contents. I think definition of SEO, types of SEO we have covered, and techniques of SEO we have covered. Okay, so techniques of SEO, only examples are left. In next lecture we will see the examples also. So that completely covers. See, techniques of SEO are, I think there are so much topics, but the previously that we have seen that what kind of the techniques we are using, that is title, title, meta, then image, etc. With that we are going to see with an example. Okay, so introductory part to what is search engine optimization. Okay, to rank your website on the high in your search engine, SEO is to be used. Okay, so these are the search engine optimization, Google, Yahoo and Bing. Types of SEO, there are two types of SEO, on page SEO and off page SEO. This is what just the summary. SEO are of two types. Okay, this one. Next we have techniques of SEO, two techniques that we have studied, white hat SEO and black hat SEO, along with the differences. Okay, optimizing the website, how you are going to optimize the website. So optimizing a website, we have to follow some of the paging structure for proper optimization. So first is the page structure, like, okay, so always programs start with HTML and all. So we have to use these concepts: title, meta description tag and heading tags, and an image tag with alt attribute. Example related with this we are going to see in next lecture. Thank you so much for watching this video.